So this is a quick workout that you can do in your 5-minute break. It's about reactivating your muscle and getting some blood flow to the brain. And all you have to do is 3 exercises, which I'm going to show you. And we're going to start with some alternating lunges. So you're going to lunge forward and keep the upper body upright. And make sure you touch the back knee to the floor. Keep your heel on the floor with the front foot as well. And just keep on moving. Alright, 30 seconds done. Second exercise, arms across the chest. Push your butt back. Stay upright in your upper body. Make sure your back is straight. And once you come up, really tense your glutes. And make sure to just keep on moving. Alright, and we are going to go on the floor, go down on our hands into push-up position and start doing push-ups. You can do these either on your feet or on your knees. Make sure your core is stable. All right. Short break, halfway through the workout. We'll take 30 seconds as a break now. And then we're going to do it all over. You can have a quick breather, take a sip of water, and then we'll do another round once the 30 seconds are over. All right, another set of lunges. Lunge forward. Once more, upper body upright. If you don't want to go all the way down, that's fine. Just do whatever you're capable of. And then into the second exercise, good mornings. Arms across the chest. And last set of push-ups, down onto the floor. I'm going to show the variation on the knees now, so same thing. On the feet is too hard for you. Just keep on going like this. And that's it. 3.5, 4 minutes of workout done. Get a sip of water and back to the tables. Good luck.